about to go get some blueberry Fago. Hey, you better slow your ass down, nigga. What you think this is? Why is there a bus stop? What's good, YouTube? We back with another video. Today we about to be doing a little POV drive in the motherfucking Batmobile. Damn, this bitch dirty as fuck though.
Oh nah,
Brother, niggas, I need to wash this motherfucking car.
nah, that's crazy. Look at that motherfucking mark that nigga left. Why you on my dick?
That's gonna be the next video, most likely me washing this fucking car. Whoa! What the fuck? Alright, enough of that. Let's get into this video. Alright, we actually have like no destination, so we really just gonna be driving this bitch. We in the motherfucking Batmobile. Mom!
Stop it.
Hot as fuck though.
You in the Batmobile, right?
Yep.
You're supposed to be Batman?
I stay safe in the city at night.
My nigga. Oh, okay, that's why the car's so dirty.
Shut the fuck up, nigga!
What?
Cause you just be fighting crime.
Always fighting crime. Shit, break it down. Move, bitch!
Oh shit!
You're driving so slow, like, bro. The light's red. That means go. Fucking niggas are so dumb. Like, red means go, green means stop. Yellow, that's how they go or stop.
That was like a maybe.
Yeah. What? That was my one. You ain't hear that shit?
Go one more time.
Alright, I'm tired of this fucking car, bitch. Ain't nobody in front of that nigga.
They
Who
wanted.
the fuck is honking? Fuck that.
What if that nigga
M for M.
and you made? Bro.
Why is everybody honking? What the fuck, bro?
Yeah, that's it.
Ooh, this nigga farting.
Huh? Oh, he's
Get
getting.
him, get him. Okay, gang.
He said it's clean.
Man, I need to wash this motherfucker though. That's what you about to do or what?
Yep.
Yup. Yeah, I would rev it, but like I got a little V6. We better race him. Nigga, you don't even know. Fuck! So should I get an SS or should I just build this car and make this as fast as the SS? Y'all let me know down in the comments which one should I do. Cause I'm debating on getting the SS. Niggas know we've been talking about that. Yo, what you doing, bro?
Oh, look at this nigga.
Yes, nigga.
Too many motherfucking people
I
up
could
here.
have crashed. We could have died just
We could have. Oh, yep, there Gango. Twinning.
That shit is hard, buddy.
Yeah.
Alright then, y'all.
We'll catch
We gotta
up.
go get some food right now, so I'm gonna catch you when we get there. Alright, y'all, we just made it to McDonald's. No, gotta get that grub in.
We about to be like, what the fuck? Come on now.
You be eating the booty like groceries?
What? Nope.
Stop the cap.
I don't be eating the booty at all.
Why you always lying?
Hey, listen. I don't be eating groceries either. Shit, hey.
I'm fucking hungry. Fuck are you ordering? Whole menu?
Hey,
You
look.
fat bitch.
That's crazy.
That's
crazy.
I cannot see. I'm legally blind.
Are you recording?
Nah.
No?
You know what it is.
Nigga, are you recording or not?
I said no.
Gotcha, nigga.
I watched the video and I seen fucking this dude was talking about he in Ohio and some fucking white lady literally was just looking at him and he was wearing a do-rag. He's talking about, oh, this nigga wearing a beanie. What? Yeah, straight beanie. I was just like,
That's actually crazy as shit.
I was just like, I could never go to Ohio. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't even know. We about to go get some blueberry Fago. Hey, you better slow your ass down, nigga. What you think this is? This little ass Honda. Honda in my rearview mirror think he fast as fuck. This ain't Fast and Furious. That shit don't get back. Stop it. That nigga tripping. He see what kind of car I'm in. This the Batmobile. I'll be saving niggas' lives.
Look at this nigga. I've like been in the garage for fucking ever.
Bro, I'm probably wondering why this is on. The reason why that's on is I had old tires. And I just changed them maybe like 5 months ago. But it didn't have the tire pressure sensor on them, so I gotta go buy those. So, yeah, my car's not broken. Don't be thinking that shit. We're not a Mustang. Fuck, nigga. We pulling up to this smoke shop, though. We ain't getting nothing. We just getting a drink.
What the hell is it? Smoking?
Yeah, who smokes now? That's wicked. Who does this? Oh, shit. Perfect.
There's no, what the fuck? All of a sudden, it's not the Batmobile.
This the motherfucking, this a Lamborghini. You know what I'm saying? Please use other door. Hey, what flavor you be getting though? Or you didn't even be getting these? Do I gotta put you on again? I only get this one.
You think this would be gas?
Each. Okay, try it. If it's ass, it's ass. Do you think the drink's gonna be good?
Yeah, I hope so.
I know this one's gas for sure. I feel like Lil Mosey.
I'm bad bitch, if she do it, I say so.
Oh shit.
What's happening? He said, what's happening?
You be drinking these ones or not?
You know what? I get the cream. Which one is that?
Oh my.
Move!
Get out the way.
Look at this dude.
We're just cruising for a bruising. What's good, nigga?
That nigga look like the candy man.
You look like a milk dud. Bald ass.
Nigga
You don't go take your bald ass to Salt Lake. Alright, y'all. We just ate some McDonald's. We out to Chevy.
Yep.
Hopefully we find an SS there. What is this?
It is.
GT.
Yeah.
Shitter. What would y'all do if you was just walking and you seen yourself walk right past you? Would y'all say what's up to yourself? Or would you be scared?
Everything you got on right now, as you watching this video right now in your bum ass fit. Yeah, that one on right now. Yeah, he's wearing that same thing. They are wearing that same fit.
What you gonna do if they got a ZL1 up here?
I can't get it. I'm broke as shit. I got no money.
Broke nigga alert.
No money,
pulling
no
up.
money.
Or should we go to Dodge?
We already know what's back there, bro.
There's a horse.
Nigga, what?
There's a horse cow.
Oh nigga, you gay.
No, but I'm just trying to see though.
What do you mean by that?
Oh, it's been fucking green for 5 minutes and you want to drive slow as shit? Who the fuck gave you your license? Damn. That nigga head is shiny as fuck.
Oh wow.
Shit. Oh, there is an SS. Shitty ass drops.
Fucking convertible.
Fuck that.
I'm out of here, bitch.
Imagine the Exorcist is back over here. Nah.
Yeah, we seen an Exorcist maybe like 2 months ago. Just chilling. We didn't even know it was
We didn't even know it was an Exorcist.
I thought it was a regular ass 01.
Nah.
Hey, let's try to put this bitch in there.
He's finna put the flicks in this video. Oh, hey, hey.
My shit really jump.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's Lil Mosey.
Blow this fucking car up.
That shit say,
Dead ass, bro.
that shit begging for help, nigga. Where are we actually? Damn. Where are we out to?
I told you we ain't got no destination. We just driving.
Facts.
We just driving.
Right.
Yo, you have your own lane. Keep going. Keep going.
Facts,
keep going.
facts, facts. Fuck is this bozo doing?
Fucking stupid.
Dammy.
really know too much about cars. I ain't gonna lie. So, y'all let me know if that downshift sounded good for a V6. Like, let me know if this car sounds good. I really don't know. Fuck this Mustang.
What do you say fuck me for?
Oh shit. Go fight that nigga right now.
Fuck you.
Beep, 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 beep.
What? Drive fast.
We're actually on a trip to Yucatan.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Oh shit. Yucatan.
Well, geez, man.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal.
What the fuck is you looking at? You know what's up? Yo, bro. Excuse me. Excuse me. How the fuck, bro, not look one time?
Just fat ass focus on the sense.
Yo! Get the fuck out the road, you dirty hoodlum.
Oh, wow.
That nigga was so ugly. Oh my god, my little tree. We on church on the hill with it. Yo, I didn't even check if there was another car coming this way. So if there was another car coming this way, we would have got fucked. Got fucked in the butt.
Get some help.
You're tweaking.
You're tweaking.
No, you're
They're tweaking.
Facts.
Bro. Real shit though.
Huh?
What I want to know is, did y'all ever subscribe? Did y'all ever like this video?
Did you, nigga?
You didn't like this video yet?
I hope so.
They got 3 seconds. Did y'all do it yet?
No.
Come on, bro.
All my bitches, shit, they know they can't stand me. I'm in my A with the bag like Jalen Ramsey.
Man, I ain't playing. Y'all better go hit that sub button. Come on.